Looking for the best extra virgin olive oil to elevate your cooking in 2024? We've reviewed the top 5 olive oils for flavor, quality, and health benefits. Whether for salads, cooking, or dipping, these oils are rich, versatile, and perfect for any kitchen. Let's explore which one deserves a spot in your pantry. Number 5. The Amazon Fresh Italian Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a versatile and high-quality addition to any kitchen. Sourced and bottled in Italy, this 16.9-ounce oil is cold extracted, preserving the rich flavors and health benefits characteristic of true extra virgin olive oils. It offers a smooth taste with subtle notes of pepper and herbs, making it ideal for cooking, grilling, or adding a flavorful finish to dishes. The oil comes in a convenient plastic bottle, which is lightweight and easy to handle, providing a stable grip for pouring. Many users praise its well-balanced flavor profile, comparing it favorably to higher-end brands at a fraction of the cost. One reviewer noted that while the taste may not differ significantly from other oils, the competitive price and thoughtful packaging make it a great choice. Another highlighted its aroma, color, and versatility, recommending it for a variety of meals and culinary applications. For those looking to enjoy authentic Italian olive oil without breaking the bank, Amazon Fresh's extra virgin olive oil delivers both quality and value. It's an excellent choice for daily cooking needs or as a finishing touch for salads and pastas, all at an accessible price point. Number 4. Pompeian Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil offers a delightful, mild taste that's perfect for sautéing, stir-frying, and drizzling. Sourced from first cold-pressed olives, this 48-ounce bottle provides a high-quality, delicate olive oil that enhances dishes with a subtle flavor. Known for its commitment to quality, Pompeian is certified by the North American Olive Oil Association, NOA, and is naturally gluten-free, non-allergenic, and non-GMO project verified. One longtime user praised Pompeian Smooth EVO for its mild fragrance and smooth taste, which works well for various culinary uses, from drizzling over popcorn to sautéing vegetables. They highlighted the oil's mellow flavor and ideal color, which makes it a staple in their kitchen for both flavor and health benefits. Another reviewer, a native of Spain, was pleasantly surprised by the oil's authentic taste, comparing it favorably to premium olive oils from their homeland. They noted the exceptional quality for the price, especially with Amazon's competitive pricing and convenient delivery. For anyone looking for a reliable and affordable extra virgin olive oil with a smooth, delicate flavor, Pompeian Smooth EVO is an excellent choice. It brings authentic taste and quality to everyday cooking, making it a smart addition to any kitchen. Number 3. Atlas Organic Cold-Pressed Moroccan Extra Virgin Olive Oil is an exceptional choice for those seeking premium, unprocessed olive oil. Sourced from the Atlas Mountains, this 500 milliliters bottle delivers high-quality, single-pressed olive oil rich in polyphenol and organic purity. Its robust flavor profile is a unique blend of almonds, basil, sweet banana, and lemon notes, making it ideal for both savory and dessert dishes. This olive oil is trusted by Michelin-star chefs and has been praised for its authenticity, taste, and quality. One loyal user mentioned that it's a must-buy for salads, describing it as a true wonder in their kitchen. Another reviewer was impressed by its purity, running it through various olive oil authenticity tests, including taste and texture. They noted the oil's peppery finish, indicative of genuine extra virgin olive oil, and confirmed its authenticity through the fridge test where the oil solidified, proving it was unadulterated. With dark glass packaging to protect freshness and a distinct harvest date printed on the bottle, Atlas Olive Oil ensures a top-tier experience. For anyone looking to elevate their culinary creations, this Moroccan EVO offers superior quality, taste, and the added reassurance of sustainable, ethical production. Highly recommended for connoisseurs and casual cooks alike. Number 2. Blueprint Bryan Johnson Extra Virgin Olive Oil offers a refined, health-focused experience in every 750 milliliters bottle. Known for its high polyphenol content, over 400 kilograms, and cold-pressed extraction, this olive oil provides robust health benefits, making it an excellent choice for keto and paleo diets. The oil's smooth, peppery flavor is a perfect addition to salads, vegetables, or enjoyed as a standalone tasting experience. What sets this EVO apart is its commitment to quality and transparency. With a high oleic acid content, low peroxide levels, and rigorous third-party testing, this oil stands out in terms of purity and nutritional integrity. Packaged in UV-protectant glass to maintain freshness, it's crafted to preserve both flavor and potency. User reviews praise its unique taste and quality. One reviewer notes its pleasant, mildly peppery finish without bitterness, while another appreciates the transparent documentation of the olive's origins and harvest details, which enhances consumer trust. Both highlight the careful packaging, which underscores the premium feel of the product. For anyone looking to incorporate a nutrient-rich, flavorful olive oil into their diet, Blueprint Bryan Johnson Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a top-tier choice, delivering quality, taste, and health benefits in every drop. Number 1. Ellora Farms Single Estate Extra Virgin Olive Oil delivers a premium experience, with each liter tin offering rich, fruity flavor and a smooth, peppery finish. Sourced from a single estate in Kalamvari, Crete, this Greek olive oil is crafted from Koroneiki olives, renowned for their bold aroma and taste. Certified with a PDO, Protected Designation of Origin, Ellora Farms ensures authenticity and quality that meet European Union standards, appealing to those seeking pure, traceable, and eco-friendly EVO. One standout feature is its traceability. Each tin carries a lot number that consumers can use to trace the oil's journey from the olive grove to the shelf through Ellora Farms' website. This transparency, coupled with their carbon-neutral and pesticide-free production methods, reflects a commitment to sustainability and quality. User reviews highlight the oil's unique, light taste with a nutty finish, ideal for salads or bread dipping. One reviewer, who initially favored Spanish olive oils, was delighted by the fresh taste of Ellora Farms' product and praised its value and purity. Another reviewer appreciated the tin's design and easy-to-use sealable cap, as well as Ellora Farms' responsive customer service. Ellora Farms Extra Virgin Olive Oil offers a delightful blend of quality, sustainability, and a touch of Greek tradition in every pour, making it a staple for health-conscious kitchens. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top 5 best extra virgin olive oils of 2024. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect oil for your kitchen needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more reviews, and hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest videos. Let us know in the comments which olive oil you'll try first. See you next time.